Hey everyone, it's so good to see you here again. My name is Ranita. I like to do makeup tutorials, reviews, swatches. I get into lifestyle, mental health, and every month I do my IPSY and my Boxycharm unboxing. Sometimes I do reviews depending on how much time I have, but usually I like to get my video up as soon as possible so that you get to know what I received in this month's box. So obviously I'm in Malaysia and I don't have the box physically with me, but my husband has very kindly videotaped every single thing that came, and I just want to do an unboxing video with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month from my IPSY and my Boxycharm, then stick around because I'm going to be looking at the products from afar and just kind of giving you a few of my thoughts as we go through this process. I'm pretty excited because I have not actually seen any of the products yet, and I'm very excited to actually see what he's actually sent over. So yeah, let's get into that. This is the card for the month. We've got Glam Bag and Boxycharm. Obviously I'm going to start with the Boxycharm products because I just feel like that would make a lot more sense. So the theme for December 2023 is "You're the main attraction. Step into the world of beauty under the big top, where wonders await, from spotlight stealing looks to spectacular prizes. It's your time to shine in the glamour show on earth." And it just goes on and on and on. Okay, so it's Christmas themed, obviously. It's going to be fun. So it says, "'Tis the cold, dry season. Get your winter glam game on point and stock up on everything you need at ipsy.com/shop. Try skin cycling, embrace the moisture sandwich style with a hair mask, patent foundation with a sponge." Oh yeah, that is true, because you can use a damp sponge to help out and then make your own tinted moisturizer. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first one is Lucky Chick Lip Scrub. It's an exfoliating lip treatment. The box looks quite pretty, and we have received it in the shade Sweet Vanilla Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Okay, this is 8 grams. I'm pretty excited to look inside the box and see what we actually have over here, and they've given you their website and Instagram over there if you want to go and follow them on the packaging. Alright, so this is the lip scrub. It is $18. Exfoliating brown sugar lip scrub enriched with grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So this is $18, and you can see it looks exactly like what I've found online. I went directly to the website and I got this, FYI, and I bet that it smells absolutely wonderful. I kind of wish that I could smell this. It actually looks like a jam, doesn't it? And I absolutely love jams. I don't know about you, but I love stuff like this, and just layering it onto bread with some butter, and oh my goodness, it looks like an apricot jam. I wish I could eat this, but I'm pretty sure that's not what it's for. But anyway, this looks pretty good, and I think it's relevant for the season. Next, we've got this Flawless Bakuchiol Treatment by Dermalect. Cysternol, A, ginger root, green pea, and vitamin B5 over here. So the packaging is quite nice. I'm really happy that it's a Bakuchiol product because I absolutely love Bakuchiol. I think it's one of the best things ever. So happy with Bakuchiol. These are the ingredients. So a sensitive skin, Phyto Cream targets the look of fine lines, dullness, and photo aging. Gently smooth onto cheeks, forehead, neck, and chin. Totally wish that I could have this right now. If you don't want to use retinol, Bakuchiol is your friend, because you can use Bakuchiol even, like without applying sunscreen. Essentially, usually when you're using, tretinoin or retinol or whatever, you do have to take extra care and use, sunscreen, because it makes your skin a bit thinner and everything. So anyway, this is 30 ml, and I went online and I found the price of this online. The closest I could get was this $59, so that's the approximate value. So we've already got like about $80 of products. Next, we have this by Biro New York. This is the Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. So this is taken directly from their website. It is $58. This powerful pore refining toner brings balance back to oily, acne skin. The alcohol-free formula effectively removes leftover makeup, oil buildup, and impurities without stripping the skin. So you can go and you can read up about this product here, but essentially this is from their website directly. It looks really pretty, and it is $58 for this. So it's got symbiotics, allantoin, quite a few really fascinating ingredients in here. So you've got a pro-berry complex, which clears the pores and removes impurities. Symbiotics, like I said, ceramide and P, that's for the moisture, and the allantoin, which I've never heard of, calms redness and irritation. So this looks and sounds really wonderful, and I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out. Any toner that works this well deserves to be used and, you know, featured. So I'm really happy about this one. And over here you can see that it says that, you know, which toner is the right one for you from the brand. This one's actually for oily and sensitive skin types. I am actually on the drier side, but I'm still going to go ahead and use it because it's a toner. I would be happy to use this and see how it actually works on my skin. And I really do love the color and, you know, just the overall look of this. It's very, very pretty. Next we have this Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multidimensional Eye Color Quad, and this is in the shade Trend Setter. So this is what I got from their website as well. It's got 6,272 reviews, which makes me feel very hopeful about this product. I love the packaging. Just look at it. It's got that mirror kind of reflective thing going on. Very, very pretty, very fancy, I would say. It kind of gives off a high-end kind of look, and I do like that. So he did struggle opening this for a bit, and I had to actually help him with this. But anyway, well done, honey, for getting it open. So these are the shades inside. I think this is a nice everyday palette. Wish that there had been a bit more color though, obviously, because this is Christmas, and I would have loved to have seen some icy kind of tones in there. I kind of feel like these are similar to palettes that I have received every other month, so this is probably not the most exciting one. However, it is worth $48, and I think Il Makiage has wonderful products. I've tried their other eyeshadow palette, which I received in another box, and I actually really like that one. So I think this is, even though I'm not happy with the colors, I know the quality of this is probably going to be really, really good. So I'm happy with this one. Next we have Pear Nova. So this over here is an eyeshadow stick, if I'm not mistaken. I searched everywhere online for this product. I could not find it for the life of me. So this is actually an eyeliner and an eyeshadow. It looks really interesting to me. It is rose quartz, so it says apply shadow to your lids, and you know, you can see over here what it looks like on a fairer skin tone. This is obviously not my skin tone, but you can see that it looks like this. So it's not the most vibrant shade, I would say. Like, you can see what I'm wearing right now. This is the kind of makeup I like. But it looks so pretty, like when you take it out, but then when you actually see like the swatches of it, it doesn't seem to be as exciting anymore, you know. Next we have this IPSY Creator Incubator pair of socks. It looks really, really cute, and I actually like the fact that they sent us a couple of extra products this month. I think it looks really comfy. I actually wear socks like this every single night to sleep because my feet tend to get cold easily, so you know, it's just kind of like a precaution to make sure that I don't fall sick. So I'm always wearing socks in bed, like always, and they're fuzzy. So I think this is really sweet to send this to us for Christmas, because obviously it's getting colder in the US, and I think this would be a must. So I really like that. What is my husband doing? He's doing sock hand puppets with the sock. Okay, so yeah, we have this, and he actually tried it on. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you get to see what it actually looks like. Thank you, honey. And next we have this recycled water bottle bag. Oh, okay, so they've given us a water bottle bag. Interesting. Very, very nice. I like the colors. It matches the box, obviously. So I think that's pretty nice of them. But I really do like that. I think it's fun. And, you know, here he is showing you what it looks like with an actual bottle inside. So yeah, this is probably it for our Boxycharm items. All right, so this is my estimate for the Boxycharm. So we basically had $18 for the very first product, then it was $59 for that Bakuchiel one. The $18 was for the lip scrub. Then we had the $58 toner. Then there was a $48 eyeshadow palette by Il Makiage, and then of course we had that Pear Nova eyeshadow, which I wasn't really like a fan of, because again, I'm getting more and more nudes from, you know, IPSY, and I would have really loved those icy shades. But anyway, I still could not find the price. I went on again and I was trying to find it, couldn't find it anywhere. If you find it, please feel free to share it, you know, in the comments below. The estimate I'm giving my Boxycharm for this month is $203, which is, you know, the total of everything that I just mentioned. This is using, yeah, my phone, so you can see there, $203. We still need to go and look at the Glam Bag, obviously, which is, you know, the minis and the sample size products. So let's go and check that out. Okay, so first things first, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It is so sparkly and pretty. I wouldn't have expected to, you know, see pink and green, but, you know, I mean, I'm sure there are some people who are doing their trees in these colors. I really like it, though. I feel like the sparkly thing could have been awesome for, like, you know, when the Barbie movie had come out as well. But anyway, I do like the bag. I think that this is very, very pretty, and I do like it a lot. Let's see what else we have. Like, this is definitely like, yeah, it's a very festive looking purse without a doubt. It's pretty, and ooh, it even has like a cute little, it looks like it's a tinsel ball for the, you know, the zipper. I really like that. That is absolutely adorable. Alrighty, so now let's get into the purse and let's see what items we actually have in here. It says our next mega drop shop is coming in hot. Okay, so hold your calendars for, you know, and yeah, they're giving you the dates over there. Alright, so it looks to me like we have this Ace Beauty lip gloss in Slick Luster over here, and this is what it says on the IPSY website. It says this peach colored lip gloss meets all our lippy criteria. It's non-sticky, super shiny, and oh so juicy. It provides the perfect finish for your pout and will leave you wanting more. Now, I went on to the Ace Beauty website. I went online trying to get a price for this, couldn't find this anywhere, and in the end I had to just give it an estimate of about $15 because there were two other lip glosses on the Ace Beauty website. They were between $13 and $16, so I decided to just kind of give it an estimate of $15. And you can see what the color looks like. It kind of looks like a very nude, you know, lip gloss, which would be nice for everyday use. And if it's a non-sticky one, then I consider that a win. I do love lip glosses. They are some of my favorite products, so I'm pretty happy that we actually got this in, you know, the Glam Bag. I think that this is a really good product. Next, we have this product over here, which is the Mini Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Face Exfoliator. So I was going online again to kind of search for this product, couldn't find this exact packaging anywhere, but then I ended up finding the link on IPSY that took me to the actual page, and I found out that this is in fact $29 for the mini. So this is apparently quite gentle on the skin and is quite nice. People had given some reviews and they had said that it actually did work pretty well. If you were to get the full-size product, it is $79. So Dr. Brandt is quite nice. I have tried their products before because I've received them before from IPSY and I did enjoy using them. So I think that this would be quite nice. I think exfoliating the skin at least once a week is important. Next, we have this Aceology Hydro Glow and Energizing Green Tea Eye Mask. So over here, it looks like I have been given two different ones. So I've been given a total of 4 different pieces. So, you know, like 2 and then 2, so 4. I went online and I was looking for this. The only thing that I could find online was this 4-pack over here, which is priced at $29. So because I've only gotten like half of it, I've basically divided the amount by 2 over here, so that's approximately $14.50 for these 2. I think that's a bit pricey, quite frankly. I don't know if I would actually purchase this on my own. $14.50 for just like 2 different packs, that's honestly, that's a lot. Even the 4-pack is pretty expensive for me. I think that we could get other stuff from like, you know, Marshalls and TJ Maxx. This was pretty pricey, so yeah, wasn't the happiest about it, but I will use it because I got it in my box. Next, we have this Tresloose Beauty, you know, Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. I like the packaging, like the color. Tresloose has some very pretty products that I've received, you know, like in the past and everything, and I was pretty okay with them. But the thing is that this one doesn't have a curved wand. I think I've transitioned to that place where I really enjoy the curved ones because I've noticed that it's just easier to get mascara into the inner corners over there without messing, you know, the rest of your makeup up. So I think that this is okay, but it's not my favorite product. This was $18 based on what I saw on the Tresloose Beauty website. Last but not least, we have this brush from China Bee Cosmetics. Now, I absolutely love China Bee Cosmetics. I think that they have wonderful products. I fell in love with one of their blushers and I absolutely love it. It was a cream brusher and I've been using it like so often when I was in the US. So this brush is called the Dome Blending. And when you flip it over, you can kind of see that it says China Bee, and the color is really pretty. I do like this. Obviously, having a blending brush looks great, but I'm just looking at the brush and I don't feel like it's the best quality that I've ever seen before. Just looking at those bristles, I don't really feel like that was super even. And the thing is that when I went onto the China Bee website, I could not find the specific brush as a single. I did find the blending brush though, and that was $18. So I decided to just, you know, give it a price point of $18. And I do like the color of it and everything, but you know, I've used better brushes. I think like BH Cosmetics will forever be the best place that I ever, you know, got my brushes from, and I'm so glad that I stocked up on all of that because now, you know, they're no longer around. So when I get other brushes, I tend to compare it to that particular brand, and then I go, yeah, I don't know if this is actually as good. But anyway, this is basically the Boxycharm and the Glam Bag for the month of December, and the total for the Glam Bag is was $80.50 based on those price estimations that I had. And I think that, you know, that's pretty okay. It's not too bad for the price that you're paying. Could have been a bit more exciting. I feel like maybe the theme could have been more Christmassy and more wintry and all of that. But I do like what they did for the Glam Bag, which is, you know, actually including a pair of those socks and then that water bag. I thought that was quite sweet of them. This month I liked my Boxycharm more than I liked the Glam Bag. I just felt like the products in the Boxycharm were far more exciting, especially because there was like a Bakuchill one. I think the Dr. Brand exfoliating thing, which was in my Glam Bag, was also pretty nice to have. But I think the rest of it, like the actual makeup products, I think I only really like the lip gloss. Because, you know, I'm just not someone who's into neutrals. I've said this so many times. I'm just hoping that IPSY kind of starts giving creators colorful makeup, colorful eyeshadow. I think that would make a huge difference, and I think it would actually improve their sales as well. But anyway, I think that this is pretty okay. It's not my favorite month. I think that November was far better, and I definitely enjoyed, and I had that thrill of, you know, getting all those really nice products in November, and I really loved November. December is just okay, but it's not like bad. So anyway, that's all I have for you today in this IPSY and you know, Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you had fun with me. I hope that you have a wonderful start to December. I'm looking forward to so many things this Christmas. I'm planning to do more videos, you know, like as we get into this month, and I'm hoping that, you know, this is going to be a good month for us on the channel. So if you're looking forward to makeup tutorials and all of that, stay tuned, because I got a lot of those coming your way. And I'll try and include a few Christmas things, a few things about Malaysia here and there, so you kind of get to see, you know, what it's like living here. Food is definitely one of the best things about Malaysia. So if you'd like a video about all of that, let me know, you know, and I will definitely be putting all of that up. But that's all I have, and I will see you soon for another video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you want to go and check out more unboxings, you can go and check out the playlist that's coming at the end. Remember to turn the notification bell on, because then you'll know when a new video is coming out. Lots of love to you, and I will see you soon. Bye.